Hey, Soap Sisters and Bubble Brothers, Kathy here, and let's get real for a sec. Have you ever poured your heart and soul into crafting the perfect batch of soap? Those gorgeous swirls, that heavenly scent, only to be met with a wave of doubt? Maybe someone, perhaps even your inner critic whispers, the market's too saturated, or who's going to buy that? Listen up, because I'm here to tell you those doubts, they're just speed bumps on the road to success. The truth is, the world your unique soapy magic. And today, we're diving deep into why your handmade soaps have a place in the market, no matter what anyone else says. Get ready to unleash your inner soapreneur, because things are about to get bubbly. Let's address the elephant in the room, or should we say, the giant soap conglomerate in the store aisle. These big brands dominate the shelves with their flashy packaging and massive marketing budgets. You might be thinking, Kathy, there are huge companies out there with resources I can only dream of. How can my little soap business compete with these industry giants who have been around for decades? And you know what? You have to compete with them. But here's the thing. You have something they don't. You have the power of authenticity and personal touch. Because here's the beautiful thing about what you do. You're not just selling soap. You're crafting an experience, a piece of art, and a story. Each bar of soap you make is a testament to your creativity and dedication. People are craving connection, authenticity, and quality. They want to know the story behind the products they use. They're tired of mass-produced, chemical-laden products that don't align with their values. They want something real, something they can trust. Think about it. When someone buys your handmade soap, they're investing in natural, skin-loving ingredients, crafted with care. They're choosing custom scents that spark joy and bring a sense of luxury to their daily routine. And they're buying into a story they can feel good about, a story of passion, craftsmanship, and community. They're supporting a small business owner, you, who pours their heart into every bar. This personal connection is invaluable. And you know what? That's something those big guys just can't replicate. They can't match the love and care you put into your products. Don't believe me? Just look at the booming success of small soap businesses all over. They're thriving because they're offering something truly special. They're offering a piece of themselves. Now let's talk about getting your gorgeous soaps into the hands of eager customers. You've put in the hard work, the creativity, and the love into making each bar of soap. But how do you make sure they find their way to the people who will appreciate them the most? And trust me, they're out there. There are countless people who are on the lookout for unique, high-quality handmade products. One of my all-time favorite ways to connect with your tribe is through farmers markets and craft fairs. These events are bustling with energy and filled with people who are eager to discover something special. Think about it. People go to these events specifically to discover unique, handcrafted treasures. They're not just shopping. They're on a treasure hunt for something that stands out. They're already primed to be wowed by your creations. The atmosphere is perfect for showcasing your soaps. Plus, let's be real, who can resist stopping to smell a beautifully displayed batch of handmade soap? The sensory experience is a huge draw. It's an instant mood booster and the perfect little gift for themselves or someone they love. The joy of discovering a new favorite scent is unmatched. But here's where the magic really happens. At markets, you get to connect with your customers face to face. This personal interaction is invaluable. You get to share your story, your passion, and the love you pour into every bar. This connection helps customers see the heart behind your business. That personal touch? It's priceless, my friend. It's what sets you apart from mass-produced products. It builds trust, loyalty, and turns one-time buyers into raving fans who can't wait to tell their friends about your amazing soaps. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful. So, find your local markets, set up shop, and get ready to shine. Your soaps deserve to be in the spotlight, and there's no better place to start than at a vibrant market. Okay, we've talked about why your soaps are amazing and where to sell them. Now, let's talk about the most important ingredient of all, your mindset. It's time to shift from hobbyist to soap CEO, and that means investing in yourself and your business. This isn't just about buying better ingredients or more molds. It's about dedicating time and energy to grow your skills and knowledge. First up, never stop learning. The world of business is always evolving, and so should you. Dive into the world of marketing, branding, and customer engagement. Understand what makes your customers tick and how to reach them effectively. There are tons of incredible resources out there to help you level up your skills. From online courses to business books, the knowledge is at your fingertips. Next, get crystal clear on your goals and pricing. Set both short-term and long-term goals to keep you focused and motivated. Remember, you're not just covering the cost of ingredients. You're valuing your time, your creativity, and the unique experience you offer. Your pricing should reflect the true value of your work and the unique experience you offer. Think about the packaging, the story behind your brand, and the personal touch you add to each product. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Confidence in your pricing comes from knowing the value you bring to your customers. And finally, let's talk about those pesky doubts. Every entrepreneur faces them, but it's how you handle them that makes the difference. They might never fully disappear, but you can choose to shrink them down to size. Face your fears head on and use them as fuel to push you forward. But you can choose to shrink them down to size. Practice mindfulness and positive thinking to keep your mindset strong. Focus on finding your ideal customer, the people who truly resonate with your brand and values. Ignore the negativity and focus on the positive feedback. And surround yourself with a supportive community of fellow soap makers who get it. Networking with others in your field can provide invaluable support and inspiration. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and stay committed to your vision. And watch your soapy dreams take flight. The journey from hobbyist to CEO is challenging, but incredibly rewarding. Embrace it with all your heart. So there you have it, my friend. I hope this video has left you feeling inspired, empowered, and ready to take your soap business to the next level. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever faced doubts when starting your soap business? How did you push through? Share your story in the comments below. Your passion and creativity deserve a chance. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Trust the process and take it one step at a time. You've got this. If this inspired you, give it a like, subscribe for more encouragement, and business tips and share it with your fellow soap makers. Until next time, happy soaping, soap sisters, and bubble brothers.